Okay, no one ever told me that being a gardener could become so obsessive. It is raining, the wind is blowing. I have a garden. As you can see, I have one tomato plant that's my fault. I didn't stake it. The rest of them are here. That's a sunflower. He's bowing. Oh my goodness. My flowers may be tired of the rain, but they're gonna grow so quick after this rain. And yes, I'm catching water. My other water buckets over there are filled to the rim. That's my other sunflower that's lying there. I think this is full. It is, but I'm going to let it spill over. This one I think is full too. I'm going to let it spill over too. Yeah. Everything is getting a good soaking. That is needed. Actually, it's needed. It's better than that water that I give it, so yeah, I hope it's just not too much for them. That is coming from Scary Soul Girls Garden. Bye-bye.